Hi, I'm James from Fine & Country and you join me here today at this stunning property. The current owners have acquired planning consent to demolish and rebuild one of the most stunning properties in Warwickshire, offering between 16,500 and 19,000 square foot of incredible living accommodation. Let's take a look around. You've joined me in the stunning gardens of this amazing home, where we've got countryside just around the corner, and we've got our own access onto Fieldgate Lane and pedestrian access into Old Town Kenilworth. This really is a special place to live. If you'd like more information, please contact me in the details that follow. Thank you for watching.